The rest of his life in prison.
U.S. District Judge Eileen Cannon previously found Ruth guilty on 5 counts for his planned attempt on Trump's life when the then presidential candidate was golfing at his club in West Palm Beach. A Secret Service agent saw Ruth holding a rifle in the tree line a hole ahead of where Trump was golfing. The agent accosted and then fired on Ruth, who fled in his car and was arrested a short time later. At a sentencing hearing, Ruth addressed the court seeking